International news, the 20th of July 2025. For Voice of Humanity, Haque AI, anchor on camera. Welcome to Voice of Humanity, Haque AI, where truth finds a voice and peace becomes a mission. I'm your host. Let's begin with today's most important international updates, brief, clear, and vital. 1. Russia rocked by major earthquake. A 7.4 magnitude earthquake struck off Russia's Kamchatka peninsula today. Tsunami alerts were briefly issued across the Pacific, but later withdrawn. No major casualties have been reported yet. 2. Gaza raid site turns deadly. In central Gaza, over 30 people were killed today while queuing for food and water. Israeli airstrikes continue amid calls for evacuation. Aid agencies warn of total collapse of civilian life. A growing humanitarian tragedy. 3. Ukraine hits Moscow with drone strikes. Kyiv launched a fresh drone offensive, with 25 drones intercepted over Moscow last night. Ukraine seeks new peace talks, but Russia remains firm on its demands. The war shows no sign of slowing. 4. Congo ceasefire breakthrough, a rare moment of hope. M23 rebels and the Congolese government signed a preliminary ceasefire deal today in Qatar. If honored, this could end years of bloodshed in eastern Congo and allow refugees to return home. 5. Asia's climate and election headlines. In South Korea, extreme monsoon rains have left at least 14 people dead, with several missing. Meanwhile in Vietnam, a tourist boat capsized in Ha Long Bay, leaving dozens feared drowned. And in Japan, voters are heading to the polls for a key election focusing on rising prices and defense. 6. UK and Germany sign historic pact, a major diplomatic shift today. UK and Germany signed the Kensington Treaty in London. This new alliance will focus on joint defense, AI cooperation, and rebuilding Europe's global influence after Brexit. Bonus: record-breaking black hole merger. Astronomers have detected a supermassive black hole collision, about 225 times the mass of the Sun. The event occurred billions of years ago, but we are only seeing its echo now, thanks to gravitational wave sensors. A reminder of how small, and how connected, we are in this vast universe. Closing message: with deep feeling, my brothers and sisters of Earth, in a world drowning in noise. This channel stands for truth, peace, and awareness. If today's stories moved you, don't just watch. Join us. Subscribe to Voice of Humanity. Haque AI loudspeaker, share this video, handshake, and become a part of the global awakening. I am MD Hasbullah Haque, not just a presenter, but your fellow traveler toward logic, light, and lasting peace. Until next time, stay informed, stay united, stay human.